I want to make a little video here. Y'all showed me some love the other night on Zach's podcast, so it's been a while since I uploaded any videos. Compressor, the original one, you can see all the oil left down there. This common pin blew the plug completely off of it. We replaced it, new filter dryer. It's a 3-ton package Rheem. Down to 670, and she's still falling. I'll let her suck till the cows come home. Happy on hose. It's a 1/2 inch with 3/8 in and a 1/4 inch in. That's all you need. It's a good valve core tool. Get this baby charged up. Fellas, when y'all going to braze and replace, don't heat stuff up with a torch and take it apart. That just makes your brazing work going backwards bad. Just sand your joint and take you a pipe cutter. It's so much cleaner and things go back a lot easier. And then you're left with a braze. I could sand that right there and it would look like factory new. It would. You can see I try to build my braze up. I don't like to leave it so you can see where it meets, like it's good and thick. Well, catch you when we get it running.